welcome to School2.
Ojugu na lunkwe. Imasina ife na atu okuko na efifie. Ode abaka.
Wise one. I greet you, wise one.
My son, I can see you. Come and sit down.
Thank you.
Oju no gune kunoni o.
There is fire on the mountain. I don't know if it is monkey or snake or rat that is swallowing my money now. I don't know.
I will tell you what to do. You are going to withdraw all the money that is inside your account. You will go to Ugwaji Junction. That Ugwaji Junction. There is this beggar that is always there. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow. You know tomorrow. It is not past tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Go there. Take all the money inside your account. Give it to that beggar.
Okay.
Everything will be solved.
I will do as instructed. I will go and withdraw the 100,000 so that I will go and give to them.
Yes.
Because I want my business to come back to the reality.
Your problem is solved.
Wise one. I believe you.
May
you live long. You will live long. May the gods of my fathers bless you. I will do. Thank you.
100,000. Something should not happen to that money.
See this young girl passing by, it bust my brain. It bust my brain. It's teaching time, they say me now. You know what's up.
That's after Agbalagba bust run about or something. Okay.
Take a bike from here now. Yeah, just there.
Okay. Here?
Yeah,
Bike. Straight down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you very much, eh? God bless you. Thank you.
I go for me carpenter, I go knock you, baby. I go knock you back.
Shy!
This man is deaf and dumb, eh? For this 100,000. Where this Baba say make I can't give up. I just pray for my last 100,000. My last 100,000. Just pray, shall we pray answer?
Carry your matter for my head like my Jerry coil, like my Jerry coil. Yeah, if you make
This man na mumu.
What? Oh, God. How about you now?
School2.